I know people are spending thousands of dollars, especially big companies, to get leads. And most of these AI tools, or even most of these email marketing companies, like Instantly, which I'm going to show you, I have one here open, or Apollo, or whatever it is that you are using for email marketing or email outreach campaign. If you are struggling to get leads, people are scraping the internet, people are using so many different tools, and they are spending thousands of dollars to get high quality leads to make their outreach, because running ads is also very expensive. So email marketing is also one of the best way to advertise your business to the world and possibly reach the exact client inside their inbox, even when they are not searching for you. In this video, I'm going to show you GPT Leads Hunter. GPT Leads Hunter is the best in town right now. A lot of people don't know about it, and this is the first video that I'm going to do about the GPT Leads Hunter. I'm going to show you to you. If you are interested, just get in touch or visit the website gptleadshunter.com and download your trial. I mean, free trials. You can also use it. Let's go to the website. Let me go back to the home page and show you how you can use GPT Leads Hunter. So here is the website and here is the software. But right now we are not looking at the features of the software. So we are just moving on to the getting leads and how to scrape thousands of high quality links within minutes. So here we have search engines. We have Google Map, we have social media, we have ads, we can scrape all of these. So let's start with search engines. So here when we come, there are so many videos on the internet and people are showing you how to scrape leads using AI, using ChatGPT, using cloud, whatever it is. But that you have to give special prompts, and once you get it, you have to copy the entire content and send it and ask the AI to arrange. This is taking so much time. This is not something like this. This is different, very easy, very simple. So the first thing we are going to do is here we are going to search for our keyword, or we can use custom keyword. So let me just search for, let's say, internet marketing, or let's say plumber in New York City. Okay, plumber in New York City, whatever it is, and the city is going to be New York City. This is all. And the next thing we wait a minute, I plumber, and the city is going to be New York City, and add. So here we have plumber, contact number, and email ID, and all that we're going to find inside New York City. And the next thing we're going to do is just click on start. This is all. You don't have to go to AI or go to the Google Map or use scraping tool before you even finish to get some leads. It's going to take you so much time. And if you're going to use these tools like Instantly to get leads, or Apollo, their leads cost so much. And one thing about them is they have a database that has millions of leads, and the same leads is being given or is being shared to all their customers repeatedly. So people end up getting their inbox blown up every single day. But this one is going to give you fresh leads that nobody is using. Now our list, you can see here, we have working on it 4%. Search engine scraper, we have right now 24, we have 17 emails, we have 21 phone numbers, and it's counting. If you scroll down, look here, we can see we have their phone number, we have their WhatsApp, we can send them a message, we have their email, and we can just mark a note here. And here we can visit their website, we have their phone number and their email addresses. And not only that, if I scroll down here, you can see we also have their Facebook, X, Instagram, and also YouTube channels for those that has YouTube channels. So we are not only getting email leads, we are also getting their social media accounts, their business social media account, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is. So let me expand this to 100 and scroll down, and let's see something. Look at this. This is crazy. And this is still counting. So let's go to the top and see we are now at 10%. So if you want to get thousands of leads within a minute, our search is not going to be so broad. But because sometimes when we go so broad, what happens is that it takes time for it to reach 100%, and the leads that we are getting is massive. But if we go, let's say this is, I just put New York City. So let's say we go for Manhattan. or maybe we go for Berlin, or we go for Munich, or we go for London, small cities. So you have targeted leads based on your business. If your business is in London, you start by targeting London and all the small cities around London. That is only, maybe let's say if you want to go beyond London, or if you want to target entire United Kingdom. So if I give United States, it's gonna take hours before it finishes. But once it's finished, it's gonna give me hundreds of thousands of leads, and the lead campaign is gonna take some time. That is not what I want to do right now. So right now, what I want to show you is how I'm getting thousands of leads using GPT Leads Hunter. This is one of the best in town. This is very fast, very easy to use. And if you are interested, just go to GPT Leads Hunter and you can download and install and start running your free version instantly. The installation is very simple. Once you download your installation package, let me go back here and see. Okay, am I logged out? Let me scroll down. I want to see if I can get to show it to you guys. Okay, I don't have it here right now, but once you have the software installed on your PC, it's very easy, the installation. You also have the installation guide. So if you follow the installation guide, it's going to be very easy for you to install and try it for free. You don't have to pay nothing. You can start getting leads at once. I use the same process, and I sign up to instantly. Let me show it to you. This is my instantly account, and all the campaign that I ran with this instantly account, I got the email and the lead from GPT Lead Hunter. Okay, I just wanted to try it here and see. If I want to get leads from instantly, it costs so much money to get the leads, and even most of the leads, like I said, these are lying in the database. The same leads are being shared to thousands of people. So I downloaded my leads that I got from GPT Leads Hunter. I moved the leads to instantly, and this is what I got. Total sent. This is the last few days. I just stop it because this is only for trials. I mean, only for this to see how this works. Total sent 1.8 thousand, and open rate we have 45%. The click-through rate nothing shows, but the reply rate is 5%, and we got opportunities 10. So this is in the last few, I think about 24 hours or so when I ran this. So think about it. If it's working with instantly, why don't you take the opportunity? So I just let's wait for this to run and we can see the list that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down. We have, like I said, you can also use, if you are connected to WhatsApp, you can just send them the direct message on WhatsApp. You can visit the site if they don't have email, and you can get their emails. You can get their Facebook, their Twitter, Instagram, X, everything. Let me go to the next page. Look at this. This is crazy. This is mind blowing. This is how we use GPT Leads Hunter to get thousands of leads. So while this runs, let me go to the next step. We also have Google Map. So it's the same process. If I want to get leads from Google Map, let's say I want to get electrician. All right, this is my keyword. Wait a minute. I have to use the custom keyword. Put in electrician, or let's say, yeah, electrician. Wait a minute. Electrician. Okay. My series is going to be, I'm going to select California and add. So electrician in California. So let me click on start. Here we have it's working, 0% processing. We can go. Am I using the my system skipped back? Okay, so let me see. Let me go back again. Let me put electrician. California. Add. Start. Okay. Now it's on Google Map. That is what I wanted to see. Sorry about that. All right, now it's working 1%. So you can see here, we start getting informations. We don't have the emails here. Emails not showing. Why? Because inside Google Map, you don't get email address, okay? You get the phone number, we get the business, we get their locations and the titles and website and everything. So if you want to do outreach, if you want to do telephone outreach, this is the one of the best options for you. Okay, so here is complete. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is super. We have so many leads. Let me scroll to the top. What is this? Okay, let me go back to the search dashboard. What do we have inside the dashboard? Okay, here we have the plumber phone and email. This is what we did. So you can download your report. You see how easy it is. So once I click download, now I have my report. It's a CSV file. And with this CSV file, I can go to instantly. Let me show you something. Let me go to get leads. Let me see. Look at how much it costs. If I want to get leads from instantly, it costs so much money. But if I go to campaign and go to this is I don't because this is a different leads, you understand? So I don't want to upload. So let me download this digital marketing agency in New York City. Okay, I have my CSV. Now moving to instantly. Let me go to one of these. Let me select this. Now go to let me see. Go to leads. Okay, add leads. CSV. I'm going to upload what I just downloaded right now. And this is the digital marketing leads. Now let me scroll down. 1081 data rows, but because some of them doesn't have or don't have how do we call it, emails, so it's going to reject those leads without emails because we are using email outreach here. Now we get 324. Let's click OK. All right, so 250 emails automatically added into instantly. How much is it gonna cost me to buy 250 verified leads from instantly? That is gonna cost me so much money. And let's say if I want 1,000 leads, 2,000 leads, 3,000 leads, up to 5,000 leads, to send about 5,000 outreach, 5,000 email outreach campaign. You can even, if it depends the domains that you have or the emails that you have, you can send even up to 5,000 emails every single day. But you can't buy 5,000 emails from instantly every single day because it's going to cost you so much money. Of course, you can buy it if you have the money. Now, let me go back to the leads. Now you can see we have 1.7 thousand leads uploaded, and all of these leads is from GPT Leads Hunter. So this is the best option if you are running email marketing, if you are running email outreach campaign. So you don't have to depend on Instantly or Apollo or one of these tools which are costing thousands of dollars for you just to get the leads. Make a comment in the video or in the description. I'll leave the link and everything and contact information if you are interested and want to start getting leads. You mean real business and you want to get clients and customers for your business. GPT Leads Hunter is the best option for you because with GPT Leads Hunter, you can get thousands of potential leads. I mean, thousands of emails from GPT Hunter. So let's see. Let's go back here. Let's see. Okay. Now let's see the digital marketing and show data. You can see here, this is the digital marketing leads that I just scrape, and look at the information. We have everything. We have their WhatsApp, phone number, website, email, social media. If I click on it, then you have to sign in social media or Twitter or LinkedIn, send them direct message. I also have another tool that is connected to GPT Hunter and can automatically send social media outreach, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever it is, and can send you automatic outreach. My next video is going to be about that. So if you are not a member, consider subscribing. All right, let me expand this to 100. So this has thousands of leads, 1081 sections, so, or sites, how do we call it? So if this one has 100, imagine up to 1081. I just keep on going, next, 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 next. This is crazy. This is going to be a short video. If you like and enjoy this video, consider subscribing, and let's talk about GPT Leads Hunter. This is the best and easiest way for you to get fresh, high quality leads for your outreach campaign. Stop spending so much money on all these tools. This is the savior. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.